Hello and welcome. Today, I'll be performing maintenance on a central heating boiler. One of the most crucial steps during maintenance is checking and replacing the gaskets. Over time, gaskets can wear out, leading to leaks, inefficiency, or even dangerous situations. So, it's essential to inspect them carefully and replace them when needed. Another critical part of boiler maintenance is conducting proper measurements. This includes checking pressure, gas levels, and overall performance to ensure the boiler is functioning safely and efficiently. Remember, these checks aren't optional, they are a must during every service to prevent future issues. Above all, safety comes first, whether it's your family or your clients. Ensuring everyone's safety is the top priority. Proper maintenance not only extends the life of the boiler, but ensures a safe environment for everyone. Thanks for watching, and remember to always prioritize safety during your maintenance routine.